Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, reviewing and testing, and today we've got this TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender with a AC pass-through model TL-WA860RE, compatible with any Wi-Fi router, and 300 2x2 MIMO, 300 megabits, 2.4 GHz, Wi-Fi dead zone killer, easy setup via the Tether app, access point mode, easy setup and management via the app, WPS, button, web UI, flexibly allows to restrict certain devices to access the internet for a set period. Select your language to easy manage the extender. Set when the LED is on or off to keep blinking lights from disturbing your sleep. Schedule the RE to turn off at certain times to save power. Design with an integrated power socket to ensure that no outlet goes to waste. Scan the QR code and you can download the TP-Link Tether from the App Store and from the Google Play. Range extender mode boosts wireless signal to previous unreachable or hard to wires area flawlessly. That's nice, we can see. Compact wall black design, easy to install and move. Intelligent signal, check signal strength to find the best spot to extend Wi-Fi. External antennas provide stronger connection and broader Wi-Fi coverage. And we've got an Ethernet connect to wire device to your Wi-Fi network. PC, game console, smart TV, smartphone, etc. etc. Well, 3 years warranty from TP-Link, nice. Now let's open it to see what we have inside and how we are going to set up this extender and use it. Of course, I'm going to test the Wi-Fi connection, the speed and all that, and how much it can give us this range extender. Inside we're gonna find out some manuals. If you want to read it, it's your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. Nothing else. And there we are. 2 antennas, nice. LED Wi-Fi, LED WPS, and the LED on-off. Ethernet port. And you've got another socket. You are not going to lose your own socket that you're going to connect. Max is 3680 watts and 16 amps. We've got a reset button and the WPS button. Now let's connect it. Nice, we can see red, yellow, it's trying to connect. Now let's download the Tether app. I already have it in my smartphone. Tether app, add the device, range extender, power LED solid on, yes it is. Device to use with Tether. And there it is, TP-Link extender, connect. Connection successfully. Okay, create a local password to manage your device. Now I need to choose my Wi-Fi router. It is the Gandalf 20. And enter my password. And next. Check it. Next. Check your host network password. Okay, next. You can change the extender network. Of course, you can change the name of the extender network and the password. Apply. Applying your settings to the extender TP-Link. We need to wait. And we can see we've got a signal, LED. That means it's connected. Wait a little bit more to end the setup. Location looks good. Congratulations, you're all set. And connect to my extender. Here we can see the host network connected with the extender, and we've got one client. I am the client. Now let's go to the tools, quick setup. I already done that. Extended network. Here we can change the name and the password. Host network, reselect the 2.4G from other router. Location assistant, check the signal. Find the best location for your extender by checking the signal strength received from the router. You can move on your extender in other places, and then you can check from the app if the signal is okay. Set the Wi-Fi. Setting the Wi-Fi with QR code. If someone comes to your place, you can share the Wi-Fi with this QR code. LED control. You can turn off the LED and you can turn on the LED. Night mode. Schedule when it will turn off, when it will turn on. LAN settings. Obtain an IP address automatically or use the following IP address. DHCP settings. Auto, enable, disable. Leave it to auto. Wi-Fi coverage. Set the Wi-Fi coverage of your extended as needed. Maximum coverage. The extender will provide a long-range Wi-Fi signal but use up more power. Okay. Intermediate coverage. The extender will provide a medium-range Wi-Fi signal. Minimum coverage. The extender will provide a short-range Wi-Fi. I will leave it on maximum. Schedule to power off. You can schedule when it will power off your extender. Operation mode. Now we are in a range extender. Of course, you can use it as an access point. That means you can wire your extender through the Ethernet from your router, and then you can extend the wired Ethernet to a Wi-Fi. Now with the range extender, we are taking the Wi-Fi and extend it wherever we want to have a better signal. That's how I will test this extender. The Wi-Fi speed and etc. We've got the system time, system, reboot, factory defaults, logout and manage passwords. Well, that was all about the settings and how you can set up your TP-Link router. And I think now it's time to move on for testing. I will test the Wi-Fi. And here we are, the Wi-Fi testing as a range extender mode. I am 15 meters away, the TP-Link extender from my main router, 3 walls between those two devices. And we can see what is the speed and the upload. Of course, this is not my regular speed, I will show you. The testing is from my laptop, of course 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. And now from my Samsung Galaxy S20 and again 50 meters away, same distance. The upload speed is good, but the download not. And now you can see my regular speed on a 2.4 GHz network. And if I will do it from a 5G Wi-Fi network, it will do a little bit better. Download, it will go to 96, 97. 2.4 GHz network, it has his limits. And now as an access point mode, again from my laptop, but now it is wired, the access point, the extender, and just give me a Wi-Fi. Of course, we've got better results. On download is not as my main router speed test, but the upload is the same. And now we can check it and from my smartphone. And as I said, the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, it has its limits. If you've got the high-speed line, it will be better to use the 5G Wi-Fi or 6G Wi-Fi if you've got. Now let's move on to the browser setup. Now after you finish the setup from the Tether app, and you need to enter to the menu of the TP-Link extender from your PC or from your laptop, you need to go to the DHCP settings and choose Enable, and then into your browser from your PC or laptop, enter the default gateway address and then enter the password you create at the setup process. Now, if you try to set up for the first time from your PC or your laptop, you need to enter this address and use as username the user and password again user. Now I'm going to connect from my PC after I have finished the setup with the Tether app and choosing the password that I made on the Tether app. And here we are. This is the main settings from our browser to the TP-Link extender. Internet, the extender, some info, and the clients. All the clients that is being connected to my TP-Link extender. Wireless. Here we can see the name of the Wi-Fi of the extender, enable it, the security, the version, encryption, password, the channel, the mode, and the channel width. You can share the network with a QR code, same as the app. Settings. Here we can see the LAN settings, DHCP server settings, and this is the default gateway you need to enter to your browser to enter to these settings. We've got the quick setup. Quick setup is for the first time you want to set up your extender. Now, if you want to set up it directly from the laptop or PC, you need to connect your TP-Link extender with an Ethernet cable directly to your PC or laptop. And then you will enter the address, that address. And as I said, you can use the password user and the username user. Power schedule. Schedule when automatically turn off your extender. Access control. Control the access to your network from the specified devices. You can block or you can put on a whitelist. LED control, you can turn on or off your LEDs of your extender, enable the night mode and schedule when to turn off and when to turn on the LEDs. Wi-Fi coverage, and again we can see here maximum coverage, intermediate coverage, minimum coverage. All that you can choose it and from the app. System tools, time settings, firmware update. Here you can browse the firmware that you have downloaded from the TP-Link. There it is. I already made that. Choose and then push upgrade and it will upgrade. Backup and restore. You can back up your settings of this TP-Link extender, restore them and factory restore. You can reboot schedule, change the login password to this menu, to the settings here, and the system logs. And here we've got the language we can choose to see on these settings. Change mode, we can change from access point mode that it is now to a range extender mode. OK, and it will reboot. It is the same settings and to the range extender mode. The only thing that it doesn't have, it is to choose from the Wi-Fi, the channel and the channel width. That is getting automatically. The channel is auto and until 13. Well guys, that was all about. Now you know how to use it and from your browser. Well guys, that was all about the testing. We have seen the result. As an access point is doing a better job, but as a range extender you have seen the results. The Wi-Fi speed is lower than my main speed that I've got from my router. Well guys, the reason that I purchased this product is because I do have some Wi-Fi IP cameras and I need them to connect to my network. And I think that was a great idea because IP cameras don't want too much Ethernet and they will be okay with 2.4 GHz and with this extender. I will use it as an extender. Well, to use it as an everyday main extender to your home, if you've got huge demands, downloads, uploads, that it will not do the job. Well, for watching some videos, chatting on social media, etc., it will do the job definitely. Well, it costs about 20 to 25 euros. It depends the discount where you will buy it. Well guys, that was all about. You decided if you want or not. I have tell you my honest opinion, the reason why I purchased that. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.